Hey guys, so remember Diesel and I were, I guess, complaining about the rough ride to Arizona? Well, Kevin went and jumped the gun and advised that we needed. So guys, these are shocks. They're obviously not kings, but this will definitely stabilize a lot of the impact that we were feeling. Okay, so a lot of that impact that we were experiencing did affect the motorhome. So when we were headed back home from Arizona, we weren't paying attention and our awning arms, these, let's see if I can show you. So these arms are armless. They're not the manual ones. They're attached to the awning. So it came off its tracks. Let me see if I can show you guys. So I'm gonna retract it. So those arms, that arm was swinging off. It came off the tracks. It's not broken. It's not broken. It just came off the tracks and the arm was swinging. So that was a little bit scary because, guys, these awnings they're not cheap, especially, you know, with the new technology. I'm sure it would have costed me an arm and a leg to fix. So Kevin, again, sold me on the shock idea because it will save us money in the long run. So I'm gonna retract this back. So it's always good to we didn't use the awnings, so a buddy of ours told us just open it and retract it if you guys aren't using it when you come back home from every trip, so you know that everything is intact. And another thing that came off or was during the impact of the ride, this window right here, this window, the vibration was so bad, this started to loosen up and the window started to, I don't know what's going on, okay. The window was, well, we tightened it now, that's why it was so hard for me to open. This was swinging out while we were driving and we caught a little bit of a wind and that I heard it flapping like that. So caught it just in time. I got up and closed it. We came back home and tightened this little screw and it's good now. But yeah guys, the impact is no joke. So I'm pretty serious. He got me all serious about it and he's gonna get these shocks installed and we'll show you guys how the ride is after we get it all after Kevin gets it all installed. So stay tuned. Alright, time to get these babies on and see how they go. Okay, what are you doing?
See the
so
thickness?
These are the difference. This is what you pulled out.
So this is the rear shock body. These are the new shock bodies. The Rancho RS9000XLs. So this is the front shock right here compared to the stock body. I think it'll make a big difference, and it's adjustable. Okay, so these will work for now.
They're adjustables, and you mark the adjustments. So
yeah,
when they're low or high, depending on if we're riding on the road or the dirt, right?
So right now it's full soft, and then there's 9 adjustments on here. So as you go clockwise, it will dampen it even more so.
Okay, and you made those yellow marks just so that
so I can see it visually.
Okay. Alrighty. Let's see how it goes. Alright, there they are, guys. So we're gonna test these out and see how they work. Kevin's still under there. He's still under there working on the back parts. While he was under there, he did find a loose wire to the dome lights in the compartment bays. So this should help eliminate all this stuff falling out and all the movement. Morning, guys. We're taking the rig out to test out the shocks. We've been driving for an hour. We had to make some adjustments. It was too soft when we left, so Kevin stiffened it up.
Yep.
And what's up, Diesel? So we stiffened it up. We have another hour until we get to the dirt road. So it's gonna be our first time actually taking it out to the desert, onto the dirt road. So far the shocks have been great. We don't hear so much noise in the back. We don't hear a lot of things moving around. It just feels really good.
The chattering is gone too.
Yeah, all that. So definitely worth it. Once we get to the dirt, we'll show you guys how that feels. We'll get into C. We'll test those out as well next. So coming up. All right, guys, we are on the dirt road. We're not bad so far. We're going at like, how many miles per hour are we going at?
6.
Okay, we're going at like 5-6 miles per hour. So far, not too bad at all. Alright guys, it's Shock Saturday. Out here just testing out the shocks, the Rancho shocks that we placed onto the Magnitude. And we're also just adjusting the CanAm shocks because we came from Arizona and the terrain in Arizona is really rough. So we made some adjustments and now we're just readjusting them back for California terrain. Saturday ends in date night.
Getting the healthy sleep you need. And adios to 2020. Are we glad to see you go during Citizens Goodbye 2020 sale? Mention Highway Country and I'll even pay your sales tax. Experience the epic journey of Captain Liberty from District 12 and her emergence as the Mockingjay. The Hunger Games The Exhibition in Las Vegas is the newest and first experience based.
Morning guys, just taking Diesel on a walk real quick. We're heading home. We weren't here long just for the weekend. Again, just testing out the shocks. Everything went really well. I'm very surprised in the shocks for the rig. So surprised. This will eliminate a lot of that chatter that's, you know, been going on when we're driving. And I definitely recommend anybody that has a new rig to definitely jump on that. It's gonna hurt, but it's definitely worth it for all the stuff that you guys, you know, you want to protect your items in the long run. So we'll hopefully see you guys next week. We are, depending on how the weather goes, we might start on the ceramic coating, so stay tuned on that. We might have a late video, sorry guys, but we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned.